Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working on my centerpiece for my Thanksgiving dinner, and I hope that you will join me. Let me show you some of the items that I will be using today. I have this round box from Hobby Lobby. It is unfinished and it does hinge open. Look at that. I like that. It's very, very cute. From Walmart, I have some floral picks. This is the pumpkin and berry. Cute. From the Dollar Tree, I have some berries. Look at that. This is the hunter green and green tone. Almost a brownish color to them. Really, really cute. I like that. We also have the pumpkin maple. Look at that. I just love these. Such a pretty color. I also have the viburnum, the tiny white flowers. And I also have one cube. I plan to use this on my box. Let me show you right quick. I will be putting it right here below the hinge. This way I can prop my lid open just like that. Now, you don't have to use the block. If you don't like, you can just tighten the hinge there. I would like to reuse my boxes, why I am using this. You will also need some floral foam, which you can also find at the Dollar Tree. I will be using my white gesso as my base paint. I have some acrylic paint in Harvest Orange, Flamenco Red, Antique Gold, English Ivy Green, White, and Black. You will also need a sealer for your project, for all your hard work. And I will be using clear wax today. I am going to go ahead and put some gesso on my box. I'm going to put it on the outside and on the inside. After I've gessoed this, I'm going to go ahead and do my painting with my acrylic paints. So this is what I have so far on my box. I have finished the painting. I did my trims on there. I added the block there. I also sealed it with the wax sealant. Now I would like to add something right here. It's just open space. So what I have decided is to use this. Now they come like this. They're just plain wood pieces, and it is from the Dollar Tree. And I painted it, this one, green. So I'm going to add this here. That way when it's open, see how it'll, give it that extra color and cuteness that it needs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So my first plan did not turn out too well. So I took off my wooden block in the back here. So now we're going to start all over. So I have this here. I'm going to put my pumpkins along the top of the lid. And since I want to use this as a centerpiece, that's my main goal here. And later on I can always, make an arrangement so this sits on the back side with the lid up. But for now, I want it to lay flat. Find my other pick here. And this goes here. So this way I have the length of my arrangement. So it's going to be about 18 inches long. And then let me put that aside for a minute. And I want a third one. So maybe about right there. And then I want to add in all the smaller pumpkins. See, the ones that came off the maple leaves. And I'm going to work these in. Well, here is my centerpiece for my Thanksgiving dinner. I can look at this while I eat dinner. But here is my wooden box on the bottom. And I know you're wondering, but my initial plan did not work out too well. I wanted the lid up. It just didn't work out too well. So I had to take the little square block back off and lay my lid flat. And then I was able to get my floral to lay down across like this. And with the lid up, it would have had to been one-sided, and I didn't want that. So perhaps later on I can rearrange. After Thanksgiving dinner, I can take this apart, and that way I can prop the lid open up and I can put the arrangement facing forward. But I'm happy with everything so far. And of course my box here, they do match my gnomes. Let me grab my gnome right quick. So I've grabbed the big gnome. Here's my big gnome. See, they match. Look at the sleeves. Isn't that cute? I think it turned out really well. See, I plan to set it like this. Since I have the lid open on this side, I can put my big gnome on this side. Look at that. Really cute, huh? I think it'll work out really well. I hope that you liked my idea today and that I was able to give you some ideas. And I really like my arrangement. I hope you guys like it too. And I really like my wooden box. It matches my gnome perfectly. I'm very happy with it. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.